Well, folks, welcome to Nobori Auto, where the cars don't work on themselves, and neither do I. Part 7 of the series, whatever I'm calling it, totaled something GTR, here it goes.
Oh, yeah.
So, what's on the agenda for today? Intercoolers need to get put in there. Airboxes need to go in, like that one that I already started putting in. Gonna get the radiator hooked up for good. Coolant overflow, even though I have another one coming, but we'll do that one for now. And then bumper reinforcement. And then I'm gonna hopefully be able to start this today. So keep your fingers crossed. Yeah, let's get to it. Airboxes first. I started installing that one, and then I realized, oh, I should probably film this process. So just cleaning out the airboxes, cleaning everything off, making sure that when I get the new filters in there that they're gonna stay clean for a while, not be dirty right away. All right, so I had to go up into no man's land up there where I keep all my like random storage because I can't find, I put this airbox back on and I couldn't find the hose clamp for that. Like I have hose clamps everywhere, but the head on this one, or the nut, bolt, whatever the heck that is an 8mm, and I can't find another 8mm. So I had these from like forever ago. So I'm gonna take that one off and put a new one on the top side, and then this one can go over there. Well, now that airboxes are installed, I can go to intercooler piping. Yay! So this one plumbs over here. I kept that one all intact, so it runs all the way down to there. So it's good to go. Just need to route this one down through the back side here. And I think it bolts up to some of these holes back on my nice shiny red frame rail. Pretty bird. Just got some goodies from Nissan. The little bottom mount bracket rubber things, bushings is the word I'm looking for the radiator, and then a Nissan battery. I love these batteries because my cost is cheaper than O'Reilly, and you don't have to give them a core, and it's a 5-year battery. So, good to go, Nissan. Okay, so time to put these little buggers in here. Alright, so those are good. And now I ordered new ones of these. I have one good one and one broken one. I have some other ones, but when I called, he said they have a separate part number than like every other Nissan. Of course. Why would the GTR share any part numbers? But they look like the ones that I bought for the G35 outside. But they didn't have any in stock, so they're on their way. But I'll mount these up top. Alright, so this doesn't really look like it fit, but if I twist it around, then it bolts right up there. Alright, so I have like 7 power steering bolts, but I don't know which is. Let's find the 3 that are the same. Not that one. Okay, so I'm guessing it's these long ones right here. Install little intake duct things. Oh crap, I should have done this first. Yeah, you have little hands. Yeah. Welcome Julian to the channel, guys. You're only able to get one out, or you only took one out?
No, only one. Can you order another gasket? This gasket is kind of bigger.
Good thing all of it can be edited.
What?
Good times. Oh yeah, found the hidden hose. I don't know why it'd be inside the car. Alright, so we found the hidden hose. The missing hose. Because we have the top one here. So that kind of comes over and then plugs into the top of so it goes like in there. And then this plumbs over, goes into that. Then this one goes from there and then like back. I don't know if you can see. Where are you? Yeah, it's like all the way. Oh, there it is. Right in the center. And then that side where Julian's working on, they both come down. So bottom one, top one. But this top one was bent, this top one was bent in the accident. Bent so much that it disappeared. So I'm gonna need to get that from Nissan or on eBay or something. But yeah. It's like they sit back up here like that. Okay, so here's the schematic that I was emailed. And I'm getting this little hose right there, or connector pipe. But I can't tell, like these little brackets right here are bolts and grommet and washer. Like, where does that bolt? Because the only other one I have is this. But that just looks like a whole bunch of plastic stuff. So I'm not really sure. All right, so here's the update. Can't get those intercoolers bolted up because I'm missing this part. This one right here. So obviously this was broken and/or I broke more of it when I was disassembling the vehicle. But as you can see in here, right there and there and there and there, there's 4 bolt holes. That's where where I think the intercoolers bolt up. And then there's like a little bracket down here. and then that's the top plate piece I already have, but yeah. So I ordered this from Nissan. A lot more money thrown at this car, but you're getting there. So I couldn't get the car started today. I'm sure I could like hook up the intercoolers and to how it was before, try to get it started, and it'd be running, I'm sure, but no point. But as for the rest, I got this upper hose clamp on there. That I like mocked in its place. I need to rotate this coolant overflow hose, just like this part. It needs to be rotated up like that a little bit more, because on the bottom of this, there's a hole that goes down into it. But yeah, it's getting there. Really is. It doesn't look like it, but progress for sure. Thanks for watching again, guys. Enjoy your night. No video tomorrow. Sorry. It's only so much I could do. The rest of the parts for that are coming in Thursday, Friday, I think. So then I can get it started. Hopefully. But until what the heck? English, yes. But until I see you guys next time, have fun, be safe, go back and check out some of my videos from like 4.5 months ago, because that was the last time I did anything cool. And go check out my shop. Well, not this shop, but like Nobori right here. Yep. And then go to the store section and you can buy some stickers or whatnot stuff. I'm really trying to not say whatnot, guys, but whatnot crew. Hashtag. See you guys later.
Oh, kill him.
My thumbnail's gotta be good because my videos aren't.